Imagine waking up and diving straight into your own private water park. Well, that's exactly what some celebrities do. Let's take a jaw-dropping tour of the biggest swimming pools owned by the rich and famous. First up, Celine Dion's Florida mansion didn't just have a pool. It had an entire lazy river, water slides, and multiple pools all in one. It was literally a private water park on her property. Next, we head to Toronto, where Drake's mega mansion, known as the Embassy, features a massive indoor pool decked out in black marble and gold, giving serious luxury spa vibes. Over in California, Oprah Winfrey's estate boasts a 70-foot-long pool surrounded by perfectly manicured gardens, a serene escape that's as grand as Oprah herself. Then there's Will Smith and Jada Pinkett Smith, whose lagoon-style pool includes waterfalls, rock formation, and even a hot tub island. Talk about tropical paradise at home. And finally, Mark Wahlberg's Beverly Hills estate brings the resort life to his backyard with an 80-foot pool, complete with cabanas, a grotto, and waterfalls. These pools aren't just for swimming, they're full-on luxury experiences. Which one would you dive into first? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and hit like and the bell button. And see you in our next vlog. Thank you for watching.